So I got this MAC products, it has been in my wardrobe for a long time. Today said I want to try it and see how this look. Look at the way it looks. If you know me, I love very light product, and that is why I went for this particular product. Okay. And then just a little on my face, I was able to tap, 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 and it's actually bringing out the look that I actually needed. Okay, so look at it. Just if you want it, you can just go ahead. Just a little is okay. It's actually pricey, but at least you can also last you for a long time. So I got this particular palette. I'm going to use the blush, this particular blush, this color to try and see if it will turn out nice. And like I said, I'm just trying all these things for the first time. So look at let's see how this particular one will work. Otherwise, next time I will use another one. Now actually trying to tap the blush inside the skin, as it stands right now. Let's see how it is going to turn out. Okay, so sorry, this is a newbie. Don't get it twisted. I am not that pro, but if you like a very simple makeup, this stick to this video and then make sure you like and at least subscribe to my channel, please. Look at it. I think at least I'm liking the way it's coming out. It's coming out nice. I was afraid the color will not look good on me, but see. It's actually coming out nice. So the next thing I'm gonna do right now is to use the Concealer Pro under eyes. This is also the first time I'm using this Concealer Pro on to highlight my face. I have a whole palette for this, but that I'm looking at that is very thick. I love this one because it's a bit light, but I'm trying it. If it's okay, I might get. I'll be using this for my eyebrow, but I've not used it to highlight. I hope it's going to turn out well. So that is it. So that this is it. I'm trying to use it. I don't know if this is how it is done, but please, if you are a makeup artist, if you are a professional, please, you can drop it on the comment section if there's anything I should do to make it look better, because I actually really love doing makeup by myself. So right now I will use this to tap the concealer pro into the skin again. Remember, it is always tapping, tapping, tapping. If you are also like me, like a newbie, you don't rub, you don't you just tap, tap, tap. Now this particular brush now is a brush from my mascara, old mascara that I used before. So I'm still using the remaining to brush off my eyebrow, because I don't like very heavy makeup, like I said. Still, that concealer pro, I use it on my eyebrow before. So let's see also how I use it. If I didn't use it very well, please, you can also drop it on the comment section how I can improve and all. That I love simple makeup. Okay, so this is basically what we are. You see how it is turning out. I think it's giving me exactly what I want. I don't need a very noticeable makeup like that. So I think this is okay. I got this brush for a long time. It's been there. I have not used it. So I'm going to use it today. This is the color I'm going to use on my eye. So let's see how it's going to turn out on my face. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay, but I'm going to highlight it with this very deep brown. Let's see how it's going to look as well. Wow, wow, this is nice. This is nice. Really, this is really nice. So actually love it. I will use this to highlight the my face as well. To make it. See, look at what we got. I'm loving this actually. Remember, this is my first time of doing this. All my makeup has been paid for. I have to call a makeup artist at least anytime I have a serious thing. So this is an eyeliner I got from Oriflame. If you know me, I love anything original. That is why I go extra mile to use anything original on either on my skin or anywhere that I apply on my body, because this thing goes, have its way of going inside the eye or going into the skin and then cause trouble. So I go to Oriflame. I got this mascara that I've been using their product for a very long time, for years, about 8 years right now. So anytime I need it, I'll just order for it from them, and I have been good with that. Okay, so look at, I am not a professional. Just follow me the way it is. If you are a newbie and you think this is okay, please give this video a like. Follow me if you have not followed me. And then I have on this channel is basically business, and then health that I do here. Even so, I'm just trying to post this for the first time and see how it's going. If it's okay, then we can continue. I also got this mascara from Oriflame. Very, very nice. Okay, so you can also do. I'm actually doing a free advert anyway, but then you can get it. The aim here is for us to use a very nice product that will not affect our skin or our body system. So that is just it. I just used it. It's not, I'm still going to. Okay, this is the brown. I'm trying to use brown on the lip first. I will use brown and nudes. Like I said, I love natural look. Okay, so this is brown. I will use brown around the lip before I will use nude in the middle of the distance. And so let's see how it's going to look. I don't like a shouty makeup. That is me. So I'm going to use this. Like I said, this nude I love to use. Okay, so this is it. Let's see how it's going to look. Oh wow, that's actually good. It's actually giving. It turns out very nice. So wow. I'm loving everything. I'm just loving everything here. I'm loving it. Please give this video a like if you like. I'm going to use it's okay like this, but I would like to add lip gloss as well. I'm a lip gloss person. Even without much makeup, you will see lip gloss on my lips. So it was okay, but at least I think this will bring it out more. Trying to adjust the highlight on my nose and see um time for eyelash, guys. Eyelash time. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Please like this video. If you like a simple makeup like this, you can actually like it so that other people will be recommended to watch it. See the setting spray, and just look at me. This is just me. Okay, I am loving this whole thing. I think I will improve more. If you have any way I can improve, please go ahead and do that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.